Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here we do unboxings and reviews and a little of this and a little of that, and today I have an unboxing and I have Lurella and it's a little bit late. I like to get this way earlier, but this month just did not quite work out the way that I wanted it to, so this is a little late, but better late than never. So I love my Lurella. This is one of my favorite boxes because you get such a variety. It's not just makeup. It's not just skincare. You get some cool stuff. So let's unbox this. All right. So first we have a brush. And I can always use brushes because I have two teenagers plus myself. And we're always looking for a hairbrush, it seems. I keep mine hid in my room. And I'm pretty sure my daughter keeps hers hid in her room, but my son, he's always running around looking for a hairbrush. Okay. Oh, so it says, love is in the hair. Love it. So that is a great paddle brush. And I've already got like one or two brushes from them and I absolutely love them. They're really good brushes. Okay. So speaking of brushes, one, two. So that's all I'm seeing right now is two brushes. And we all know, I think my tripod is moving on me. Okay, so we all know what I say about brushes. You can never have too many brushes. And this is my favorite kind of brush, is the like liner brush. So yippee. Okay, so next we have some lashes, which I will save either for my daughter or for a giveaway. She likes brushes, or brushes. She likes lashes. Okay, so next we have, Lurella lip liner. And I have a few lip liners from them that I love. I actually used one today. And that looks like my kind of color. I think their liners are the only liners that I actually use. So that's a lighter color than what I've been using from them, but there we go. All right. Now next we have, which I've got this in one of their boxes before, but that's fine because it's a cleansing balm and I'm probably about halfway through. And I have also been using the Truly glass skin balm, and I'm out of it now. So I'll probably, I don't know, I might put this in a giveaway just to like spread the Lurella love because it is such a good product. It really does help get your makeup off. I love Truly's and I love this one. So I might keep that one for a giveaway. All right. Next, we have Active Colors Barbie Girl. And I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a... I don't know. Oh, I know that it is Barbie Girl. Painting my nails. Aren't you proud of me? That'll last for about 24 hours. Ooh. What is this? Is this lip or is this eye? Oh. Okay. It just says Active Colors Barbie Girl. That's definitely Barbie pink. Okay, so this has to be... It could be a blush. I mean, you could probably use it for either or. Like eyeshadow. Alright, hold up. I can't get it. Let's see. I don't have any kind of instructions or... Alright, there's another one in here, so let's see what we've got here. I mean, it came off on my finger well, but it might be something that you have to wet. Okay. So, pressed pigments. It does not say, okay, Pixie. So Pixie is all that it says. I'm trying. Alright. Diamond Shadows. I just happened to see that too. Alright. So this... Oh, okay. Alright. So... Oh, whoa. What? Okay, so I looked in there and all that I seen was like clear. I did not see that. So for a second I was thinking that maybe it was like some kind of gel or something and you use the gel and the pink together. I don't know. Okay, so I can already feel like that this... Bam. So that's a very pretty color. And I just don't know. Like, this is like the Barbie. So I don't know. I'm going to have to find out what that is. I mean, like, it doesn't say pressed pigments on the back like it did on the other. So, I don't know. All right. So, next we have some little itty bitty sponges and Wet Squeeze Bounce Beauty Sponge. And I'm pretty sure that, like, the bottom, that is a soap, and you can use that soap to clean your brushes. All right, so we've still got two things. So check this out. Boom. So this box is 39 bucks, and probably, gosh, I love this box so much. Like, look how big that is. Like, this is everything. Like, you can use this. Like, I know a lot of people right now are using their own bags to go grocery shopping, and you know, like, it's kind of a beachy type bag, but I mean, you can use this for 100 different things, and it is big. Like, that's really cool. So, oh, you know what? Halloween. This is your candy bag. That's what that is. All right. So, last but not least, we have a palette, and it is called Pick Your Poison. I'm trying. I'm always fighting with the... There we go. Okay. So this is really cool. All right. Okay, so I guess this comes down. Oh, I hate messing up my things, but I have to. All right. There we go. All right. Oh. Okay. I don't know if it was meant to come apart like that. I mean, maybe. I don't know. But here is our colors. So, okay. I don't know if I want to get into this because I know that I probably won't use these colors. Um, yeah, I really don't want to mess with it. Like, I would rather either just put it up and or give it away, or this is very different. Oh, okay, I feel it now. Okay, so there's a magnet, so it is supposed to come apart like that, so that's different. I like that. Like, so yeah, there's a little magnet and it comes apart, and yeah, that's really cool. Oh, I want to get in it so bad, I can't help it. Oh, but I will not. Like, I might wear noxious or nauseous. I don't know. Contagious. Um, venom, deadly, mm, malignant, lethal, infectious, poisonous, toxic, venomous, harmful, injurious, injurious. I've never heard that word before. Baneful, pathogenic, virulent. I don't know. That's some nifty like words and okay. You know what? The hell with it. All right. So this is poisonous, of course. There we go. That's the pigments that I know and love from Lurella. Um Okay, let's go with the gray. I hate it because I know that I will never wear these. Now, possibly on Halloween, maybe. Like, I might come up with something that I will use them. And then, okay, so let's try I guess this is nauseous. That's not how you spell nauseous. It's Noxious. So that's just a brown. So let's check the grays out. So there's that, and then there's like 3 different grays. You really can't see much of a difference, but man, you can so feel like a lot of your eyeshadows, like, you really can't, like, they're so creamy. That's the only way that I know to describe it. Like, they're just like a little bit away from being like, oh, I don't know, like creamy. I mean, that is the word. They're just so luscious. They're almost like, their pigments are almost like lipsticks. Like, they're just so, I mean, I guess that's just pigmented. That's pigment. I don't know. I mean, pigment is color, but they're just so soft, like, and I don't know the correct word. It's not creamy. It's soft, and they go on so well. So, and they stay on. So that's the important part. All right, so that is it for my Lurella October, and my stupid. Oh my gosh, this tripod is killing me. I've got to get a new tripod. I keep calling it a stick, but it is a tripod, and I need a new one. So hopefully Christmas, Santa Claus will bring me some video stuff. All right, well, that is going to be all for Lurella, and that's going to be all for me. So I'm going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.